Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cut videos in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have a blank project open, and in the top left, under my media, as you can see, I have a video uploaded, and I will import that into the timeline of the video in the bottom. You can do that by either clicking the green plus or by dragging it and dropping it. Dragging and dropping is a bit preferable just because you can position it anywhere you want, but that doesn't matter. Now, once you've added it here, you can cut the video anywhere you want. Firstly, you have these green sliders in the timeline. You can click on them and drag them and either cut out the beginning or the end, whichever one you want. And even if you cut it, for example, like so, the slider or the project will still remember the original duration of the video, so you can just drag it out to its original duration. Now, let's say you don't want to cut anything out from the beginning or the end. Let's say you want to cut something out in the middle. For that, we're going to be using the cutting tool, of course, and for that you want to move this slider to the first point where you want to cut everything out. So this is the beginning of the section that you want to cut out, so let's say it's about here at about 35 seconds, and you can either click the split button here, which is sort of a scissors icon, or you can just press S on your keyboard and that will cut it into two different pieces. Now, the other part or the end, you need to go to the end of the part that you want to cut out, which will be in the second half, of course. Let's say I want to cut it up until about, let's say, 1 minute. Then just drag it there, click S, and now it has been separated. Now what you want to do to just cut this part out is simply just press the delete button and connect these two by dragging and dropping them. Now, I'm not sure if there is a way to merge these two. Let me just check with a right click. There is a way to group them, but there is not a way to merge them as far as I know, but that isn't even necessary. You can just export it as is and it'll just continue playing the video as it should. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.